Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore advanced Vim features through real-world challenges, applying Vim's tools to practice editing tasks. These techniques will significantly boost your efficiency and problem-solving capabilities in Vim. In this video, we're going to demonstrate advanced Vim techniques through 6 practical tasks using original examples in a live terminal environment. Now let's do a live terminal and look at the tasks that we will be learning today. In task 1, we're going to look at create and insert. So I have created a file vim report.txt, and here I have inserted some log entries. I had pressed :W on command mode and saved the information. The second task that we need to do is a bulk edit. We need to replace this info with the word notice and also enable line numbers in the report.txt. So what we need to do in command mode is colon %s \info /notice the small letter g. So S is to substitute, the capital /info/notice is to replace info with notice, and the G is for global replacement. If we press enter, you can see that this has been executed and info has been changed to notice. Now the next thing we need to do is enable the line numbers. So here if you do :set number, hit enter, you can see that line numbers appear here on the left hand side. You can :W to save this. Now for the last part, the next task 3, we are going to look at navigation. So in command mode, if we do $G, it moves the cursor to the top of the file. If we do a capital G, then cursor moves to the bottom of the file. Now what if we want to find a word and we have a long report or log? If we do # and the word that we want to search for, you can see that it has already found disk. If we wanted to find the next or previous occurrence in the file, if we do a small n, after hit enter, and we look at small n, you can see it takes us to the next disk usage. If we do a capital N, then it takes us to the previous occurrence of disk in the file. All right, let's start the next task, which is task 4, visual block editing. Visual block mode helps comment multiple lines. So let's do commenting multiple lines in a config file. So here you can see I'm creating or have created a settings.conf. Hit enter, and I have inserted some text in it. :W saves a file. Then now to get into visual block mode, we do Control-Alt-V, and here you can see that our status bar shows that we are in visual block mode. Now I will select the block by hitting J. So I've selected the first line, then capital I, and insert the hashtag. Then by hitting escape, you can see that it has added the hash in front of each line, or at the start of each line. That's done with task 4. Now let's move on to the next task, which is split view. Split views allow editing multiple files. Let's give this a try. Let's say we want to split the screen and open our report.txt file. So we will use :VSP and our report.txt so we can open the files side by side. Here you can see that we have split the screen vertically. We can switch splits using the Control-W followed by QA or H, J, K, or L for a different type of split. If you want to switch um, between splits and edit both, you hit Ctrl W W. Now we can close the report file and go back into our settings.conf file. Now going into the last task, which is macros. Macros automate repetitive tasks. So let's append a dash checked to each of the lines. So to record a macro in normal mode, we are going to press QA. You can see that it has started recording. To go to the end of this line, hit the dollar, type small a to append at the end of the line. Let's do checked. Press escape to return to the normal mode, J to go on to the next line, and then press Q to stop. We want to replay this task. We do at A, and you can see that it has added the dash checked on the next line and then gone to the next one. And if we do again at A, it adds a checked to the next line as well. If we want to do the changes on multiple lines, then we use 3 at A for 3 lines, or 4 at A to make the changes reflect in the next 4 lines. This concludes our advanced Vim challenges: creating files, bulk editing, navigating, visual blocks, split views, and macros. These skills will transform your text editing workflow. These tasks showcase Vim's advanced capabilities for real-world editing. Practice is key to mastering Vim. Thank you for watching, and happy Vimming!